I don't know exactly when the last time I felt so excited about a new software update was. For the past couple of years, Android updates have been small and iterative, just minor tweaks here and there. But suddenly, things got interesting again. OnePlus has made OxygenOS 16 better than ever, with features that are actually useful in daily life. The update starts rolling out in November, and if you've updated your phone to OxygenOS 16, here are 5 settings you need to start using right away. 1. Mindspace plus Gemini integration. The new Plus Mindspace works like your personal memory hub. You can instantly save screenshots, web pages, or voice notes, and the best part, it's integrated with Google Gemini, so you can ask things like, "Show me my trip plans" or "Find that saved article," and it'll pull it up instantly. 2. AI in photos and video editing. The Photos app is now much smarter. Features like AI Perfect Shot automatically pick the best frame, while AI Relight fixes lighting to make portraits look better. You can also edit videos directly inside the Photos app now. No need for an extra editing app anymore. 3. Lock screen widgets and custom shortcuts. This one's a real time saver. You can now add widgets directly to your lock screen, like weather, calendar, or steps, and customize the shortcuts on both sides. So whether it's opening the camera or turning on the flashlight, you can do it without even unlocking your phone. 4. AI Translate plus live captions. OxygenOS 16 introduces AI-powered live captions that can now translate spoken language in real time. For example, if you're watching a video in Chinese, it can automatically generate English subtitles on screen. The same works for live videos, calls, and even saved clips. 5. New Control Center layout. The redesigned control center is one of the biggest visual upgrades. You now get a customizable 4x4 grid where you can move, resize, or remove tiles like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, brightness sliders, and media controls. It looks cleaner, feels faster, and gives you better control over your quick settings. So those are the 5 Oxygen OS 16 settings you should try right after updating your phone. OnePlus is clearly moving back towards what made Oxygen OS. So those are the 5 Oxygen OS 16 settings you should try right after updating your phone. OnePlus is clearly moving back toward what made Oxygen OS great: speed, simplicity, and real usefulness. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Oxygen OS tips and hidden features coming soon.